Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this lecture, we will see how to access private methods of class. This is one class, product, data members, integer, int, piano, float cost. I have written put data method which is in by default, that is written in private. So as here no visibility mode is specified, that means piano, cost and put data, all these three members are private members. So now put data, this member function is private. So we all know that. So we cannot access private data members or member functions directly from outside the class. But if the method is written in private section, definitely method purpose is to execute that method. But direct access of this put data method is now not possible as it is written in private section. So how to access this private method? Let us see. So in this put data, I am going to display values of piano and cost, that is product number and product cost. In public section, void get data int a comma float b. So this method I am using to accept values for our private data members piano and cost. So one method is public, so that is still sufficient. If everything is private, there is no use of such a function. But as this one, we are having one method which is public, so this get data method we can use to call method put data. Look at the code over here. So we have defined this get data method. So void product scope resolution get data int a comma float b. So first parameter a we are going to assign to piano, so piano equals to a. Second parameter b we are going to assign to cost, so cost equals to b. And here we can call put data method even though it is a private member function. So private members can get called within the same class only directly. So this is also, we can say this is a nesting of function also. One member function calling another member function of the same class. So this put data is my private function. So I can call this private function only within the member function of same class. If get data is not a member function, it is not possible. But get data is a member function of class product. So put data method is accessible over here. So this is only way to access private function which can get access only within the member function of the same class. So here it will call put data method. So in main we have created object p1. With p1 we are calling get data method. We are passing two parameters. One that is will be given to a, 22.50 will be given to b, that is value of piano will be 1, value of cost of p1 will be 22.50. Immediately it will call put data method and it will print value of product number as 1 and product cost as 22.50. Similarly, we have created second object that is p2. With p2 we are again calling get data method. So p2 dot get data 2 comma 55.0. So that means first parameter a is 2, second parameter b is 55. That means piano equals to 2, cost equals to 55. After that it is calling put data method. So it will execute this part. So product number equals to 2 and product cost equals to 55. So even though the put data method is private, still it can get access within the member function. So this is our code. We save this code, we compile and we execute. So this is the result is for first product, that is P1, product number is 1, product cost is 22.5. Product now for second product P2, product number is 2 and product cost is 55. So as if you are going, this put data is private function, even though you are going to access this directly from outside the class. For example, if I want to access this put data from here in main function, it will not be accessible, it will throw an error. We will see this again. So P1 dot, if I write put data, so definitely it will throw error at the time of compilation, because put data is a private method, it is not accessible outside the class. So I compile this. See here one error we are getting. So we will read this error. See, put data is not accessible because this is private method, it is not accessible. So access to the private method is only within the class member, it is another class member function. So this is the only way. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Keep watching.